Hi, my name is Christine Bowen with Aspen University. I will be discussing the 5 types of social power, my workplace's social power, and the alpha dog mentality for my Creating Strategic Change That Lasts course. The 5 types of social power are expert, referent, reward, legitimate, and coercive power. The expert power is probably the best power grab someone could have. Someone with knowledge and listens to people will be trusted and respected in a position of expert power. They are being an expert in a given subject. They'll give that person's knowledge value, and other people will look to them in that area. The referent power is people that are liked and can have influence on other people's decisions. You'll see commonly, like with celebrities, when things need to be persuaded one way or the other, they will tend to make a statement. Legitimate power is like the assigned or birth-given right to make demands and expect others to follow them. It could be a person in a ruler position like a queen or a king or a CEO, and someone outside of a monarchy. The reward power is the best way to look at it is like promotions and raises. So people are given rewards when they earn them, and in short, it's a reward power. Coercive power is probably the worst out of the 5. It can be abused and looked at as bullying. A person should only punish as a last result, and if their first instinct is to fire, demote, or deny privileges unfairly, it is most likely a coerced power. My workplace, the most common social power I see is expert power. We tend to hire the best leaders for the positions and educate them if needed to continue the process for lower level employees, meaning we hire the best, the most educated, to continue on to educate the lower levels, making sure that they're doing the best that they can, and so on and so forth. Most of the employees, they show the respect and trust they have for their leaders, and then that's reciprocated back to the employer. For example, I am a leader in my position as a supervisor, and I also train the newest employees. And if they feel trusted and valued, then they reciprocate it back. And if they come in without that trust barrier, it can still be created, but it's a lot harder, and they don't typically get the best results from the training experience. The alpha dog concept, if you look at like in the medical field, like for example, like cardiologist is a specialist, they are described as being like an alpha in their field because they're not just a medical doctor, they are a medical doctor with specialization in cardiology. The alpha dog doesn't want to just be the best, so they want to be the best of everything. Having just one topic that someone focuses on can cause hesitation with knowledge in other areas. So not having the entire picture or a narrow focus can make the person look less than knowledgeable. And as stated earlier, the expert power gains in respect and trust from others with their knowledge, which would be like the definition of an alpha. Whereas somebody that isn't exactly the most knowledgeable in all areas, they won't necessarily look like they're an alpha. They'll look like a sub-specializer in lesser terms. And that is all I have. Thank you for watching.